In today's digital age, social media platforms are indispensable for communication, entertainment, and even professional networking. Your online footprint can be far more extensive than you realize. This is why a regular social media privacy audit isn't just a recommendation, it's a necessity. This video will provide a complete checkup guide designed to help you quickly assess and fortify your social media privacy settings across your various accounts. 1. Checking profile visibility and settings on Facebook. In Settings and Privacy, go to Privacy Checkup. This feature guides you through critical settings. Specifically, check who can see what you share and how people can find you on Facebook. Ensure your basic info, email, phone, birth date, relationship status, education, work, is set to friends or only me. Review public search engine linking to prevent your profile from appearing in Google searches. On Instagram, in Settings and Privacy, go to Account Privacy. Ensure private account is toggled on if you don't want strangers viewing your posts. Review settings and privacy and how others can interact with you and messages to control message requests. On X, formerly Twitter. In Settings and Privacy, go to Privacy and Safety to Audience, Media, and Tagging. Confirm Protect Your Posts is enabled if you want your tweets to be visible only to followers. Review photo tagging and direct message on LinkedIn. In Settings and Privacy, go to Visibility. Adjust who can see your connections, profile photo, and activity. Consider profile viewing options to browse anonymously. 2. Reviewing friend or follower lists and connections. On all platforms, quickly scroll through your friends, followers, and connections list. Remove anyone you don't recognize, no longer trust, or haven't interacted with in years. Fewer connections mean less exposure. 3. Examining post and content settings on Facebook. In Settings and Privacy, go to Settings, then Audience and Visibility, then Posts. Use the Limit Past Posts feature to change all public posts to friends only. Also, set the default audience for future posts to friends or a custom list. On Instagram, in Settings and Privacy, go to Tags and Mentions to control who can tag you in photos and videos. Also, in Settings and Privacy, go to Reels and Remix. Limit who can use your content for remixes. On X, formerly Twitter. If your posts are unprotected, they are public by default. Review any lists you're part of to ensure you're not being grouped with people or topics you don't want to be associated with. Checking app permissions and connect apps on Facebook. In Settings and Privacy, go to Settings, then Apps and Websites. Review the active apps, remove any you no longer use, or edit permissions for the ones you trust. On Instagram, head to Settings and Privacy, then Website Permissions to remove or edit permissions for connected apps. On LinkedIn, go to Settings and Privacy, then Permitted Services to revoke unnecessary app access. Reviewing and adjusting settings. After conducting the audit, dedicate a few minutes to consolidate your findings and make necessary adjustments. 1. Limiting profile visibility. Strive for a need-to-know basis. Your full name and current city are often sufficient for connections. Avoid publicly displaying your exact birth date, phone number, or home address. If you're not a public figure, set your profile to private or friends only on platforms that offer it. 2. Restricting who can see posts and content. Make friends or a custom list your default for all new posts. Utilize options like Limit Past Posts to quickly secure older content. Be mindful of content you are tagged in and leverage. Review tags features before posts appear on your profile. 3. Revoking app permissions. Be ruthless in revoking permissions for apps you don't use or that have excessive access. Just because an app asks for permission doesn't mean it needs it. For example, a photo editing app likely doesn't need access to your contacts. Understand that revoking permission only stops future data collection. The app may already have past data. Additional tips and best practices. Maintaining social media privacy is an ongoing commitment, not a one-time fix. 1. Regularly reviewing and updating settings. Aim to perform a condensed version of this audit at least once every 6 months, or whenever a platform announces major privacy policy changes or interface updates. Technology evolves and so do privacy threats. Staying informed is key. 2. Being cautious with friend or follower requests. Only accept requests from people you genuinely know and trust. Fake profiles and scammers often use friend requests as an entry point. Be wary of friends you don't recognize. 3. Using strong, unique passwords and two-factor authentication. 2FA. This is fundamental. Even the best privacy settings are useless if your account is easily compromised. Use a complex, unique password for each social media account. Enable 2FA on all your social media accounts. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a code from your phone or an authenticator app in addition to your password. 4. Being mindful of what you share. Think before you post. Even with strict privacy settings, anything you share digitally can potentially be stored, copied, or misinterpreted. Avoid sharing highly sensitive personal information. Be cautious about geotagging locations or posting real-time updates that reveal your immediate whereabouts. 5. Reviewing ad preferences. Most platforms have an ad preferences section. While you can't eliminate ads, you can often control the categories of interest used to target you, reducing the profiling. 6. Download your data. Optional but informative. Many platforms allow you to download a copy of your data. This can be a revealing exercise to see exactly what information the platform holds. Now, if you're ready to strengthen your cybersecurity skills and protect yourself online, I have a free resource for you. Download our free security checklist at Tileris.com. It's packed with simple, actionable steps to help you stay safe and build your knowledge. Want more personalized help? You can request a free consultation with our cybersecurity experts. Or if you're curious how Tileris works in real time, request for a demo to see how Tileris AI agents work. Now let's get back to the business of the day. In a world increasingly shaped by our digital interactions, your social media privacy is a critical aspect of your overall online security and well-being. By committing just 30 minutes to this, you can significantly reduce your vulnerability to privacy risks and regain control over your personal information. Remember, social media platforms are constantly evolving, and so should your privacy practices. Make this audit a regular habit. Combine it with strong password hygiene and mindful sharing, and empower yourself to navigate the digital landscape with confidence and control. Your privacy is worth the investment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.